Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian Unnie, Korean Culture Center, an organization that conducted Kpop India Contest 2021 has announced the rules and regulations for the second round of this contest, which is called as Regional Round. Now let's see what are the rules. All India K-pop Contest 2021 Regional Round Rules and Criteria. Regional Round Rules Notice. To cooperate with the precautionary measures issued by Indian government to control the spread of COVID-19, we request all participants to follow the measures implemented by your state government. General. Participants are not allowed to edit their videos in any way. Regional organizers are allowed to edit the videos if required based on the instructions given by Korean Culture Center. It means you can't cut or edit your video and you can't add filters or templates etc. in your video. Only the regional organizer can do editing in your video, but the only editing they are talking about is they will merge all of the regional round participants' video together and will make it as one video and will upload that video. KCCI have chosen some well-experienced persons to manage work of a particular region, and those people are called as regional organizer. For example, there is different person for Bhopal region and different person for Mumbai region. Second point, participants must record and submit their videos to their regional organizer within the time frame set by the regional organizer. Failing in doing so will lead to disqualification. Regional organizer from your region will contact you via email, phone call, or they have also created a WhatsApp group for the winners of your region. Regional organizer will add you in their group chat and will tell you details of the second round. They will tell you a time period to send them your recorded talent video. If you will not send your video in that time period, then you will be disqualified. Third point, regional organizer can decide an action to be done by the participant to prove that video is recorded within the requested time frame. Failing to do so will lead to disqualification. I have explained this point. Fourth point, by participating in the contest, participants agree and give their permission to all related parties to record, film, photograph, audio tape or videotape their performances and to display, publish or distribute these works for publicity or advertising purposes. Here it means by sending your video you are giving them permission that they can use your video for any advertising purpose or broadcasting purpose etc. The only thing you need to understand is they can publish your video on YouTube, television or Instagram. So if you have any problem with this, then don't send your video. Regional round will be conducted in these 20 cities. For vocal category, participants can perform same song as online round or choose a different song, but the other song also should be in Korean language. Duration of song must remain the same. It means if an original means official song is of 4 minutes 22 seconds, then you need to perform this whole song. You can't cut any part of the song. Participants must cover one full song. Participants are not allowed to use mics or instruments. It means you can't play instruments, but if you want to add instrumental background music, then yes, you can add it. The number of performers should be the same as the online round video. Suppose you performed as 5-member group in online round, then your group should have 5 members in regional round also, and all those 5 members should be same. Another new person can't take old member's place. No surprise element can be added in the regional round. For dance category, participants can perform same song as online round or choose a different song. The number of performers should be the same as the online round video. No surprise element can be added in the regional round. These are same rules as vocal category. Regional round selection criteria. In vocal category, they will focus on 3 main points: your ability to speak Korean, your expressions and pronunciation, and your stage charisma, means how you look when you perform. They will see are you confident while performing or you are afraid, you are enjoying the song that you are performing or not, and many more points like this. In dance category, they will check how good you perform the choreography, how exactly you copy the steps with your own techniques. Expressions are also important while performing. Be confident, enjoy your performance, don't go out of the frame of your camera, and show your charm on the stage. And other than this, you also know what you need to do because you have already passed the online round by competing with so many participants. Note points. Only those who have passed online round can apply in second round. Korean Culture Center conducts this contest every year, so if you have not applied or you have not passed, then it's okay. Better luck next time. Regional organizers are in progress to contact with the winners, so please wait, they will contact you. We all can be audience and can enjoy and cheer for our regional participants. Your regional organizer will tell you that where you need to submit your video. Winners can ask all their queries to regional organizer when they will contact them. Don't wait for the regional organizer to contact you. Start preparing from right now. I hope you all have seen the winners list of the online round. If you have participated in online round of Kpop India Contest 2021, then check the winners list and see whether your name is in the list or not. As you can see, there are 20 regions and second round will be conducted on different dates starting from 23rd September. So maybe your region's second round date is far from September. That's why they have not contacted you yet. That's why I'm telling you, if you are winner, then just practice for your performance. They will contact you when the time will come. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like this video, share it with other K-pop idol aspirants and subscribe our channel for more K-pop audition information and tips. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.